Hello dear students, today we are going to do the revision of Alice in Wonderland. This is a very beautiful story of a girl, Alice, who was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. And then what happened? She saw a rabbit who was he was in a hurry. The rabbit was in a hurry and he was going somewhere. Then he had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took a big watch from his waistcoat pocket and he was hurried away. Hurried means he was in hurry. जल्दीबाजी में था, बहुत जल्दी में. Okay dear, I will be too late. He says I will be too late. Then she thought there was something very different about this rabbit. कुछ अजीब है इस rabbit में, कुछ अलग है. Then why it was different? Because he was talking and he was wearing a red coat and it carried a watch along with him. A talking rabbit means he was talking also. A rabbit who was wearing a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity. He has nobody has seen such a rabbit, so he was burning with curiosity. She was very curious to know that why this rabbit is like this. So she started running and Alice followed the rabbit. Then she followed this rabbit. See, you can see here in this picture. And she fell down and down. Who fell down? Alice. Okay, so Alice jumped into the rabbit hole and she went down and down into the rabbit hole. And Alice said aloud, where I am. She don't know where she is. She said, where I am. How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. Then what happened? Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Pile of dry means many leaves. Many leaves are there. Dry leaves are there. On that dry leaves she fell down. Okay. Then she looked around quickly and suddenly she saw a white rabbit again. And she saw that rabbit again. Oh my ears and whisker. Who said these words? Oh my ears and whisker. How late I am getting. Who said these words? These words are said by the rabbit. Okay. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches. Here you can see a small door was seen by Alice. Here only her face can be seen in this door. So small it is. Okay. So she tried the little golden key. There was a key on the table. Okay, on the table there was a key and she took that key and tried to the lock and the lock fitted and it was fitted. The key was fitted to the lock and Alice opened the door and she looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Means she saw a very beautiful garden, loveliest garden which she had never seen before. Okay. How she longed to be among these beds of bright flowers. You can see there are bright flowers and a beautiful cold fountain. Cold fountain means the fountain was very cool and the garden was very beautiful. Okay, but she could not ever get her hand through the doorway. Means she was not able to put the hand also inside the door because the door was very small, 15 inches only. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she explained loudly. It means she was trying to say that she wishes that she should become so small that she could enter the door of this garden. Okay, so you should learn this chapter question answers also. Okay dear students, this is your revision part. I am sending you the question. You have to learn it properly. Okay, thank you.